hardworking. I mean, there's no substitute for that. The other one I would say is resilience. As you can tell, AI is the next big wave. In fact, there was a point in my career when I almost became a journalist, but I decided it would be more exciting to work in public policy than just write about public policy. Firstly, I would like to thank IIM Bodh Gaya for having me, and I'm very excited to be here.
Yeah. So, sir, the question would be like, what motivated you the most to move from engineering to this AI governance and public policy?
I have to admit, it was not a very straightforward journey. I'm someone who was always interested in the broader world of policy and politics. In fact, there was a point in my career when I almost became a journalist, but I decided it would be more exciting to work in public policy than just write about public policy. And being on the ground really helped. And I started working on technology policy around 2018. And I think it was the right time. As you can tell, AI is the next big wave.
Yes, sir. So it was great to hear that. So, like, my next question would be regarding what qualities do you feel helped you the most to grow in this career?
That's a great question. I would say one was obviously the very cliched answer of being hardworking. There's no substitute for that. The other one I would say is resilience. As someone who's switched around careers and changed a number of organizations and employers, sometimes it can be a bit unsettling because you're constantly shifting around. But being resilient through that process and training yourself to enjoy the journey. And what helped me was to orient myself in a way where I focused on the learning. What am I learning out of it? And that really helped me even when I was going through, let's say, some ups and downs in the journey.
So we'll take these lessons with us as well to move forward. So, sir, I would like to ask, like, what do you think, like, IIM Bodh Gaya can do in this and nurture future leaders in AI governance and public policy?
Well, firstly, I had the good fortune of delivering a lecture and session today, and I could tell that the students are very interactive and excited about the topic. I would say it would be great to have more grounded practitioner level work. So some of the capstone projects that you're doing, some of the research work that you're doing, continue to interact with people from the field, but also give the opportunity for the students to work with the clients on the ground, right? And these clients should not just be, let's say, a business company looking to build out its AI trust and safety policy. It could even be a not-for-profit, let's say in healthcare, which wants to use AI for better operations, but does not know how to go about it. And I think the mind of an MBA student, the ability to connect across the dots and to think both from business perspective, but also from a social impact perspective would be very helpful.